Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Telling you to go. Telling you to go.
We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you a Trendlines stream. Please hold on to the seat of your pants and prepare for profitability. Chat. 'Tis I have returned. You guys are not ready for this one. Right. Fuck it. I'll start the stream, why not? I'll start the stream. I didn't really want to today. I might be done for the year. I just made 10 bill yesterday, chat, but fine, I can keep trading if you really, really want me to. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, chat, look. 3, 2. Oh, the anticlimactic camera's not on play. We've done it before, we've seen it before. We'll see it again, chat. Here we are. We're out here. Us. How we doing, chat? Welcome back to the streams. Good morning, good evening. What's good, Madlord, Aus, Darius, Malinko, Ewan, Mark, Kick, Shaba, Dale, Anil. Holy. All the man are here. Mr. Mullet. It's actually a burst fade. Yeah, man. How are we all doing though, chat? Only been here 30 minutes. Hey, that just means you're showing some love, man. Showing some support. I appreciate it. How you been, chat? How's everyone's day yesterday? Starting off the week nicely, I hope. Chat, you guys printed yesterday, eh? I told you guys on stream. This was the trade to take, and then it printed after my Bright Funded interview. We all took it together. We all made some bread. You can't complain. Cannot complain. Chat though, who was there for the Bright Funded interview, man? Who was there? What do you guys have to say? I thought it was pretty good, no? I thought it was pretty good. Me, NQ, what's good, Chaz? NQ looking, yeah, NQ does look good for longs, I can't lie. I saw that earlier. Chat, what did you guys think of the Bright Funded event though? I thought it was pretty sick, to be honest. Oh. Even Mr. Mochi made an appearance. Yeah, it's insane. I mentioned the trim had to glaze. Bro, Eduardo read it out live as well. He's like, I knew that was someone from chat. But it was crazy, man. You guys showed some mad support. Literally, even the people who were running it said to me afterwards, bro, the moment you came on stream, it was literally just like TRLS in the chat and shit like that. It was crazy. Absolutely insane. What's good, Jay? I'm in on the 1 hour flip. Okay, chat, let's do an analysis real quick and get into it. So yeah, look, chat, the weekly time frame here is very interesting. You're pushing up, really no bottom wick, which is kind of crazy, but there you go. Daily time frame, oh, previous daily close, no top wick. Oh, I need my monster, man. I'm monsterless today, chat. Yeah, so previous daily close, no top wick. I knew the daily was going to run up through Asia, but I wasn't able to capitalize on it. 4 hour now just closed, bearish below everything else. Current 4 hours now pushing up, no bottom wick. Holy shit, it's very difficult here, chat. 1 hour closed bullish though, and then made a bottom wick and is now flipping. You did technically close above the most recent level as well, on the 1 hour and the 30, right? But realistically, chat, it's going to be very difficult for me to grab a trade here in the next, I don't know, X amount of time. What I want to see right now though is I want to see probably a closure above 819. That should take us up to 832. You do have another level down here towards 798 as well. Chat, this range looks tiny, right? It's an 80 pip range. Mad. Really, really fucking crazy. We're coming to the point where like, we're coming to the point where these ranges are getting massive. Like 100 pip range is actually tiny now. London session be going crazy on gold. To be honest, Asian's been the play, man. I've been saying this. Yesterday, Asian was the move. This little closure above on the 30 or the 1 was so nice. But I was asleep. Trading on FX? I'm trading on futures. Oh shit, yeah, you're right. FX levels? That is the FX levels, but you're right, Dale, my bad. I am trading this on futures. I don't know why I did that, to be fair, but there you go. It's similar though, it's similar. You got this area, I would say this area. Why not 1 hour levels? Because we're at all-time high. There's less data on the 1 hour. I've been staying, trading Asia is really good. Yeah, it's actually sick. I woke up this morning at 3 AM with bad stomach acid. Got a nice $40 trade, £40 trade on Asian. Huge. Sometimes I feel like it's God waking you up in the middle of the night to catch those positions, man. Grab them buys, so clean. In Asian, nice, Jar. When the buys just got in, good shit, K. Hopefully it plays out. Chat, if we close above 48, we might get the buys. The problem is the 4 hours got no bottom wick, right? 4 hours literally got no bottom wick, man. So basically, this could flip and drive down at any point. Holy shit. But we did also retest into these lows here, which is exactly what I was talking about. On FX, 4 hour looking awesome. Yeah, what, with the flip? Okay, that makes sense. But yeah, the problem is, obviously, chat, what I've been saying, this is like a little retest too. My 4 hours is the exact opposite. Yeah, that does look clean. So maybe, I mean, we'll see, chat. We'll see. Either way, the previous 1 hour had no bottom wick. But chat, essentially the analysis for today is buys above this level right here. I might have to order a monster or some shit, I can't lie. I'm sleepy beepies right now, chat. All right, cool. How does this work though? Like, think about it. One broker shows shitty 4 hour. Yeah, this is the problem, right? When you have different confluences on different brokers, you have to basically just go off market structure. You have to go off of common sense, higher time frame narratives. Just basically, you have to think about what the most logical outcome is. I understand what you mean though, Mark. I would factor it in 100%. Up 2% for the week. Proper fancy USG. Fancy you too. Chat, I can't lie. I can't lie. What a faggot. I'm joking. We are looking for these buys above here. If we do get them, it's going to be extremely nice. You have a market structure shift at that point as well. I'd be looking for... Oh, the 15 is shifting structure, to be fair. Doesn't look too bad, man. Doesn't look too bad. Let me order a Gonster, mate. Let me order a Gonster. Because I am dying out here. Thomas? Do you want a monster? Can't hear. Idiot. Bro, I literally just keep... Thomas has the pink monster? That's crazy. This guy's allergic to the stream, by the way. The last couple of days, he's been like... I don't want to speak to those guys on YouTube. They're fucking idiots. He literally hates all of you. It's mad. See? Look. No thank you. He doesn't want to talk to you guys. I don't know what's wrong with him, to be honest. But there you go. Yeah, Ewan. I know it's sad, man. It's sad. Listen, chat. 50 of you in here right now. I appreciate it very, very much. Listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Hopefully we can get some nice positions here very shortly. Let's get to at least 30 likes right now. Yesterday's stream was a banger. I know we had to close it off early, but it was extremely fun. I need an energy drink, man. It's actually so bad, chat. I've gotten to the point where I'm relying on it now. I'm addicted. Not really. They don't do the pink monster. Tom? Are you watching the stream? Do you want to drive my car to the shop and get me a Monster? That'd be really nice of you. I'd be very grateful. Be careful, Thomas. I will do some dangerous things if you carry on the way you're going. Crazy. That's a big threat. It's a big threat. Similar threat to that, chat. If you guys don't press the like button, I'm gonna punch you. I'm seriously gonna start scrapping. You're lit, bro. It's not many people that trade live. I appreciate it, Dion. Yeah, barely any people trade live. It's kind of crazy, right? You want the rest of this coffee? You want the rest of this wood or what? No, it doesn't really count. All right, I'll take it. Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah, I'll take it. Thank you. Thomas not your helper. He literally is. If I potion it up. Nah, if you want it, I'm not taking your drink. But Dion, I appreciate it, bro. Welcome to the streams as well, my bro. All right, chat. Here he comes.
I'm bearing gifts.
That is not a full coffee.
Well, I thought there was a bit left of yours. I was going to say, if we potion it up. No, there's one here as well. Wait, that's the camera.
Full coffee, yeah?
No, there's like...
That's gonna... I can't drink all of that. I'm gonna be pinging. I'm gonna have so much energy.
30% here, 30% that one, and then 20% yours. That gives you 80% per coffee.
That's ridiculous. No, take it. It's fine. I don't want to... Do you want to run a shot for me?
Mate, I don't know if I can pull that fucking car out there.
Bro can't reverse a car.
No, it's not that. It's just I drive a Corsa, not a fucking tank.
Chat, update on the car. Right? I spoke to the company this morning. I might be going to see the new wagon soon. Nah, but I mean, realistically, we'll see. I might be. They offered me a test drive and everything. Not offered me, but they said I could go get one. Holy, Gelandewagen. Scheiße. Okay, I don't know if it's stupid or not. It kind of is stupid, but at the same time, I'm just trying to be young, wild, and free. Young, black, and rich, you know what I mean? Do you save much of what you make, like a certain percent? Nah, I spend everything, bro. No, I'm joking. Yeah, of course I do. Of course I do. I'm actually, I don't really spend that much money. Apart from the new car, and my old car, and my car before that, and my Rolex, and some other stuff. Nah, I actually spend way too much money. I can't lie. Like, I should be saving way more than I do. But I do spend a lot of money. When you buy a brick on wheels, you will spend a lot of money on gas. Bro, what, like my current car doesn't use a lot of gas or what? My current like 3.5 litre twin turbo Range Rover doesn't use a lot of gas. That uses a fucking shitload of gas. It's like 50 euros a week minimum. What about having a girlfriend? Is it expensive? Yeah, it is. Of course it is. My girl's really low maintenance though. Like, she doesn't want anything. I still buy her a load of shit, right? And obviously, like, I will not let her pay for fucking anything. That's ridiculous. But still, like, it's just obviously like double the expenditure, right? If we go out for dinner, instead of it being just me, it's like 2 people. But it's obviously way more than worth it, right? And to be fair, she helps me make more money. That, if anything, like, I probably wouldn't be as rich as no, I'm not rich, but fuck, I wouldn't have as much money as I do now if I wasn't with her, you know? It's definitely a positive ROI on investment. Crazy thing to say, but there you go. 10k sub, giveaway wagon. Now I'll give away my old car. You can have the Range Rover, chat. I'll give away the Range Rover at 10k subs. I'm joking. Chat, 65 of you in here, only 20 likes. I'm gonna punch you all. Drop a like right now, and I might do a giveaway. I feel like they make you want to earn more. They do. Because like, you want to give them the world, bro. You want to give them the best things. Like, you want to plan a family in the future. You want to plan everything. So yeah, definitely, man. Also, you can't be a bitch, right? You can't not have money around a woman. It's just like, I don't know. I can't do that. Even when I was broke, I just pretended like I had money in front of my girl when we first met. I'll tell you a little story. When I first met my girl, I had like literally no money. Oh shit, chat. 15 closed above. Wait. I think I'd rather wait for the hourly, chat, to be honest. By the way, we have news today. I forgot to mention. 3 o'clock, we have Jolt's job openings, which is in like, what, 2 hours? So we don't really have to worry about that, but there is news today. So maybe you start to consolidate before that. I don't know. Did the 15 flip? Nearly. You did make bullish structure right now, which is kind of interesting. I don't think this looks terrible. I don't think it looks bad. You on Forex again? No, I'm not on Forex again. Yeah, what's good, Danny? No, I'm not. Where did you meet? I met my girl on holiday in Greece. We were both on holiday. So it's a very funny story. She was living in Germany at the time. So then we did like long distance for a while. Our funny story, our first actual date was in Amsterdam. Our second actual date was in Paris. It's kind of crazy, you know. But yeah, I was broke as well, so it was all going straight on a fucking credit card. Would you average a payout every month, do you think? I swear there's some weeks where you don't take a trade. Nah, I don't average a payout every month probably. I would say my payouts are like a lot rarer because like they build up. Like trading is non-linear. I mean, it depends. Now that I've scaled to $1 million funding, maybe we'll start to do weekly payouts, right? But I need to build up to the buffer. I need to do all this sort of thing, right? Yeah, but there are some weeks I don't take a trade. You are right. It's just recently price action's been very slow. Very, very slow. And maybe Raoul is your girl. She's testing your memory. Maybe. Chat, by the way, I dropped a new Instagram video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that because I dropped a day in the life actually on Instagram this morning. I don't know if you've seen it. If you have, make sure you drop a comment and tell me what you think about it because I think they help quite a lot. $10 million. Chat, today's the day we make a milli. I'm convinced. Good girls, Aura's ROI certified. No back test needed. Trust me. Chat, see you flipped and reflipped right now. Very interesting. This is why I'm going to wait. This is why I'm going to wait. Oh, wait. Yeah, I've got an idea, chat. I've got an idea. Give me a sec. Bro needs to lock in real quick. They're printing more gold right now, for real? How would they do that? Nice chat. All right, so we have 11 minutes here to the hourly close. Comex open 20 minutes after that. I think there's a lot of opportunity here. I can't lie. If you get like a nice little bullish closure on gold here on the hourly, a nice little bottom wick as well, we could take the buys upwards. Stops a Gigantosaurus Rex, but then TP will also be Gigantosaurus Rex. So, I mean, look, we can see. I might just order 10 monsters right now so that I've got a stockpile. That's what I was going to do. Where's the strawberry one at though? Who sells the strawberry one? Because these guys are fucking about here. Only selling the green one. Who only sells the green one? No one drinks the black and green one. Where they at, man? White one is the only elite one. I think the white one's relatively mid. Monster. Go on. Oh, man. All right, wait. We'll have to go for the second best. They sell low, wait, they're printing more gold. They sell low, buy high. Crazy work. Chat, anyone get any positions yesterday though, other than the trade we were going to take on stream, right? Hopefully you guys got some in. I think it was a really good trading day. I'm not going to lie. I think it was a really, really good trading day. Small order fee of €8. Are you taking the fucking piss, man? I'm not paying that. I'll just get some, what should I get, chat? What should I order? What do you guys want? What do you guys want from the shop? Someone let me know. I'll order it. Craft beer. Have to spend €8 more. Canistella. Lovely stuff. A man of taste, I see. No way. Chat. Chat.
You want me to make you a monster?
They sell Mr. Mochi in the shop. They literally sell Mr. Mochi.
I can make you a monster if you want.
I'm not taking pre on stream. I'd be
It's the same thing.
What's that over there?
It's just there, mate. Just in case you really need it. I'll just leave it just there.
Oh
just
my
to tempt
days. Have you seen this? Have you seen this haircut?
you. Oh no.
Where are you going? See, chat, I'm telling you, he doesn't rate you anymore. He doesn't want to come on stream. He just doesn't rate any of you. It's so sad. He literally keeps talking about how he hates the community.
No, I don't.
He's like, these guys, especially like...
Especially Mr. Mochi.
Especially, yeah, to be fair, the Mr. Mochi hate is... The Mr. Mochi hate is insane. Like...
He keeps leaving all of these comments.
He keeps threatening me and Tom on our videos, watch. Let's go to like my most recent video. Okay, this one. Scroll down.
Honestly, I think on the last 4 uploads, that's the only comment. It's just this kid giving
This Asian kid threatening to cut. Look, let's scroll down again. Oh, he didn't do it on this one.
Go on mine.
This one as well. And then... Me too. Yes, sir. Out of order from Mr. Mochi. Of course, Mr. Mochi sells himself. Yeah, he does sell his body for a living. It's sad. It's sad. You know what I should do? I just order more monsters. I think that's the meta. They're only €2. Yeah, of course. How long is it going to take? 15 minutes? Oh my god, that's a long time. Fine. I've just spent €20 on monsters, chat. I might have been a bit retarded, but there you go. We move. Is it going to go through? Nice. Right. There we go, chat. All right, I can finally lock in now. I know that my fix is coming my way. 2 glasses of milk. All right, chat. So, yeah, real talk. 6 minutes here. The 5 minutes looks good, to be fair. You are making bullish market structure. The one thing I would say is the daily did flip bearish, which is kind of not the best. The 4 hour looks okay. Not really, but the 2 hour is going to close bullish here in the next 6 minutes. So that is something as well. Obviously, we are bullish still overall in terms of trend. You did sweep. Did you sweep some lows? Oh my god. Oh. What's good, Rays? How's it going, my bro? Yeah, you swept some lows here, which is interesting. Doesn't the 15-minute resistance bother you? Where is the 15-minute resistance? It would be up here, but we haven't met that yet. Oh, I think we need some liquidity as well. I do think we need some liquidity to be grabbed. I would love to see it sweep this low. I think that would be incredible. Absolutely incroyable. Chat, yesterday I took a trade across 3 top step accounts for like $500. I'm trying to, I can't lie, ever since I got to $1 million funded, right? The market's just been unbelievably whack. Like, it's been so dry. I don't know what, like, realistically, I don't know what the move is. I mean, obviously we just wait and stay patient, but at this point, Oh, wait, let me set up the Ninja trade ski. At this point, it's pretty difficult. I'm debating trading like the accounts separately and just being a bit more aggressive. But then again, like, there's not really much point in me doing that because I'm kind of admitting at that point that I would be taking less valid setups, right? So, I mean, the answer's in, a lot of the times chat with trading, the answer's in the question. You know, like, should I drop the risk and take more aggressive setups? Basically, you have to like think to yourself, what are you saying there? You're basically saying, should I drop the risk and just be a bit more degen? The answer is obviously no. Chat, 80 people, man. Drop a like on the stream. Let's get to 50 likes. If you haven't got to 50 likes on the stream within the next minute, I'm punching you all. New York session has not been the one for me lately. I know, yeah, it's been cooked. It's been very, very cooked. Oh my god. Yesterday, it was just we were just completely range bound. Yeah, make some more noise actually. Yes. Okay, new Apex trade copier. Chat, also, by the way, if you haven't already joined, make sure you jump in the free Discord. Tom's been doing his daily streams in there for the London session. I've been in there as well, answering a few of you guys' questions. I think Tom took his first trade today. I don't think it worked out too well, but the point is, bro put himself out there, you know? You've got to give him that one, you know? It's actually very fucking difficult to do, chat. It's very difficult to do, so you got to give him some praise for that shit. Started funded on 12th of August at 8%. What do you mean, like, is it pass funded or is it eval? That's good shit either way though, bro. Nice, Danny, good shit. 0.6%, huge. Surely upping the risk would be more degen. No, I wouldn't up the risk. I'm just saying, like, instead of trading all accounts at once, I would drop it to like 1. But then you know you're not taking good setups, so it's like, at that point, I don't even know. 0.4. C, Control C. All right. Who's spamming reactions with me? I don't know, not me. Chat. 2 minutes to the hourly close. Just trade more of ours. Bro, I don't want to trade any more of ours, man. I've been too focused on the avals recently. Then, I mean, yeah. Oh, with the not as good setups? Yeah. It's just a bit of effort, to be honest. It's just a little bit of effort, man. All right, chat. It's time to make a milli. What would the SL be here? All right, we're going with a 10 ski. 10 ski potatoes, man. Actually, no. Let's go 9. Let's be smart. Hello, dude. I've been following you from France. You're awesome. Keep it up. I love the evening video messages. They inspire me a lot. Luca, welcome to the streams, man. I appreciate it, brother. That means a lot. That means a lot. I'm glad you've been enjoying them. Is the 85? Yeah, chat. Apex has $85 activation fees now. They have $36 accounts for 50K. It ends today, chat. So you have to buy the account today for it to qualify. I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% sure how that works, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Oh, this would be perfect. Chat, if we close bullish here and get a bottom wick, we can potentially have a position here. Is it useful to pass Apex by 10 contract 1 trade because $20 account isn't too much? Yeah, you can do that. You can be a bit more aggressive, right? Because then you save on the... Like, you save time, basically. Content on your socials has been clean recently. I appreciate it, bro. I've been really putting some work in, man. I've literally just entered buys as well. Ooh. Everyone fade O's. No, I'm joking. Is the 50K account at 1 still valid? Did I not give that to you? Shit, my bro. Yeah, my bad, bro. 100% is valid. Oh, no, you said you wanted it at the end of the month. Right? It wasn't me. It wasn't my fault, right? Yeah, you can have it whenever you want, bro. Just let me know. Chat, closing here in 8 seconds. What are we going to do? Can we pop down here? Big bottom wick would be nice. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of this candle here right now.
Order submitted.
He came down and made a big bottom wick and then rejected quite quickly here. Closing bullish back into the range. So let's see what happens, chat.
Order filled.
Alright, I got activated on that. Also got slipped, which is nice. Also didn't get activated on the other accounts again, which is kind of great. Alright. Sorted it. Where's TP? 38.62. Alright, chat. So just literally got into buys right now. Off the flip of this candle. Kind of got slipped a little bit, but there we go. Hoping this can fill up towards the top of the next range here. Up towards 38.62. Break even. I need to fix the copy trade. I know. Dude, I didn't understand your reply because I only speak French. Can you say something in French to make sure you saw my message? Je ne parle français. À bientôt. Une baguette. Je n'aime pas le croissant. That's the extent of my French knowledge, I can't lie. Or also, there's a je t'aime. Wait. Chat, we're pushing up here. Break even's going to be the fill of this range, right? Up towards 38.48. That's going to give you like... Actually, no, it's going to be the wick fill because that's going to give you like 50 pips. That'd be crazy. Do you have 150 pip stops? Yeah, they're relatively large, chat. I can't lie. So that's why I've dropped the order size on this quite significantly. Chat, you just flipped there. I don't know why you'd be re-flipping. Very interesting. Very strange. 1 minute close, no top wick. That's why. It's going to fail? Okay, bro. Sorry to hear that. If it's going to fail, guess what you can do? Not take the trade. Just saying. Let's see, chat. Let's see how this plays out, though. Yeah, break even is going to most likely be this wick fill. That's going to give you like 20 pips, 23 pips, which is not bad. Realistically, like, that's the most logical place for me to go break even anyway, right? The rebreak of that high makes the most sense. Ban him. Make me model ban him for it. It should push up. Just not an A+ setup for me. All right, bro. Are you buying? I'm in buys. Je suis in. What's good, Goldie? How's it going, my bro? Hopefully you're good, my friend. Right, can we reflip here, chat, after grabbing liquidity on this 1 minute? If this one can flip and drive up, you don't want to get caught in this range. That's going to be kind of annoying. It's a good bottom wick though, chat. There's no real reason this shouldn't push up. If we start to create bearish structure on the lower time frames, then I'm going to look to manage, obviously. Obviously, if we close back below here, we'll probably manage as well. But realistically, I think you're trying over and over to push up here. Maybe we need some more volume. We got comics open in 15 minutes. That could give us something as well. We'll see, chat. Let me fix this shit. Now you can see my massive biceps. This breaks the 5 minute structure. We're good to go up. Yeah, that's not a good 5 close, but it's not bad either. Structure's still bullish on every time frame now. Chat, I'll be back in 2 secs, yeah? Yeah. Alright, chat. We rebroke the lows here, man. Rebroke the lows and they're starting to reject right now. So if this 5 minute can push up and close bullish, we should be good. With subscribers like me, by the end of the year, you'll be speaking French. I don't know, man, but if you can speak German, we're gonna have a better chance. Chat, there's 100 people in here right now and only 29 likes. What is going on? Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Otherwise, you're getting scrapped. Let's see, chat. Let's see. The 5 reflipped and reflipped again bearish. So it like grabbed liquidity, then reflipped bullish, and we're now flipping bearish again, which is interesting. Structure's still bullish on the 5. It could genuinely just be a higher low being created, right? We came up, made a high. We need to make a higher low before then continuing all the way back up like this, right? That's what I'm seeing this as right now. $15 still looks good. Everything looks good, chat. That's a strong 1 hour closure as well. There's no reason that 5 should have flipped and reflipped though. But we'll see how it closes, man. You got 2.5 minutes here. If it can close strong bullish, you should be extremely good to continue up. I think also once we break this high, maybe instead of going break even, I'll just trail my stops below the hourly or something. Just drop the risk a little bit. And then we'll go break even maybe at this area here. I don't know. We'll see though. We shall see. We just need to see a rejection around here, and then we'll be good. Second entry? Nah, not yet. No, I don't even know if we will get one, to be honest. We didn't get the best entry. If you got a wick entry, you might do a little bit nicer here. But look, the 5 flipped. I mean, we'll see what happens here, chat. We will see. We're bullish. Price will take out London price action. Let's take a look at the old market sessions by Mr. Leviathan, if it will let me click. Where's London highs? It's pretty high up. Swept Asian lows though. I don't know if you can really call that a sweep. You kind of like push quite far below. I've been buying since 38.07 in the M45 order blocks in CFDs. 45 minute or what? Who trades that? All right, chat. Pushing back up here. Don't know if it's asked this question before, but when we go BE, is it still going to be a sell stop even if I put my SL in profits? Yeah. Stop loss. Just remember it like that. All right, chat. 5 minute closing here in about 17 seconds. Hopefully it can close like this. But it needs a top wick. Did it leave a top wick? Yeah, kind of. All right, popping back through here, chat. 5's opened up no bottom wick, which is kind of techie, to be honest. But there you go. And flipping now. It's not really ideal, but it's also not terrible. We got a 15-minute close in 4 minutes as well. I think that's going to be very important here. You did flip and re-break it. Did you re-break the high? No, you like matched the high. You didn't re-break it, which is kind of interesting. Oh, big strong rejection, chat. It tried to re-break again and failed. Are your live replays translated into French like your videos? I don't think so. No. Unfortunately not. It's an interesting reaction there, chat. I don't really understand that. It like tried so hard to re-break the high and then just made a big rejection. What we'll do is we'll wait till the 15 close, see what happens here. If the 15 close is bearish, we might just have to like manage out at a tiny loss. Losing 2 hours? Yeah. Comics open in 10? Oh yeah, maybe we'll wait for Comex. We could wait for that as well. So the previous 5 did close bullish, which tells me that we do have bullish like momentum here. Just need to see if this 5 is currently grabbing liquidity. If it is and we close above, the biggest confluence for me to be fully confident in this trade, like going forward, is the closure above like 44 on the 5 minute. If you close above there, that's a market structure shift. There's no reason you shouldn't continue up, right? But this is kind of just consolidating here on the 5. Maybe it is waiting for Comex. Who knows? $15 bullish close would be good as well in 2 minutes. But that would mean the same thing, right? If one closed above, the other would obviously close bullish. We love a range, we don't love a range. Not the rods. The range of dooms we do not enjoy. Alright, 5 minute flipped here, chat. I would like to see a nice little push up here. Bear in mind as well, the 2 hour now just made a bottom wick and flipped after closing like strong bullish as well above most recent. So maybe the 2 hour just needed some liquidity here. We are struggling off the top of this level right here. This is like become a 5 minute resistance, so to speak. Which is very interesting. You keep rejecting off of it over and over and over, but the 1 minute just made bullish structure. That is very strange, chat, like very strange. I don't really see why that would be doing it, but there we go. You can only react, chat. You can only react. You can't predict, you can't do anything. We can only react. 1 minute BOS, choc or whatever it's called. Yeah, nice. Chat, you know you're in trouble when you start bringing out the ICT terms in your trade. Actually, the main thing you know when you're in trouble is when you start bringing out the trend lines. That's when you know it's fucked. Oh, it's okay though, because actually we have a bullish trend line forming upwards here, so we should be good to go. Can we close above this high, chat? That'd be so nice if we could. $15-minute closed, just, oh no, you got 29 seconds, sorry. My clock's a bit fast on my PC, crazy. 29 seconds to the 15 close. Level turtle soup, I don't know what the fuck that is. Order block filled, IFVG and TRLS respected. Chat, rebroke the highs here. What's good, Jar? How's it going, my bro? Rebroke, kind of struggled though. All right, 15 closed bullish. Didn't close above the highs though, chat. But it did close strong bullish here on this 15-minute time frame. Bottom wick first as well is always good. Can we see this tap into the top of the range? Or at least fill these wicks to the left, right? Are we both in this? Uh-oh, I'm not, no way I'm in a trade in the same direction as Mr. Mochi. Fuck. We're cooked, chat, we're cooked. Call it off. Close full. I'm joking, I'm joking. Let's see what happens here, chat. Bro's fantasizing, me? Man, I really want to be in your next video and for you guys to say, guys, I even talked to a trader who follows me from France, it's huge. I'd be so happy if you did that. We'll see, bro. We'll see. Chat, can we push up here, man? I give my parents' house to Mr. Mochi to double the value, to be fair. Apparently, from what I've heard around the grapevine, Mr. Mochi is an international businessman. What code is this? What country code is that? Ah, chat. Getting called from a +91 number, which is India. Probably not going to pick that up, unfortunately. SG, what time is the webinar? 8 p.m. tomorrow. This is crazy work, chat. This is crazy work. 15 closed super bullish, but the 30 is now reflipped. The 15 is now reflipped. This is very interesting, chat. Very, very interesting. Obviously, we'd have to assume this is liquidity, right? But holy. Maybe it needs to tap into the bottom level of our trend line, right? Where would that be? Oh, there we go. See? Chat, it was the liquidity all along. You guys didn't expect it, eh? Oh my days. Imagine this actually respects the trend line. Imagine. Actually imagine. I know the guy who's calling you. Crazy. Trend lines are crazy work. Yeah, I know. What's good, W7? How's it going, my bro? Oh my days, chat. It actually respected the trend line. It actually respected the trend line. I mean, I'm not sad about that. I wanted to respect the trend line. Fave pizza topping? It's got to be the pepperones, no? Currently selling from your entry. Good luck to you. Hopefully it plays out. I mean, hopefully we both win. I'm not trying to be toxic out here. Bro's counter trading me, eh? Fading the TRLS strat. It's okay, it's okay. I forgive you. Comics open right now, by the way, chat, in about 14 seconds. Hopefully we see a rip up here with the volume coming in. Hopefully that was a little liquidity grab before Comex. For us to pop up here, fill the range. We'll see. 5 minute just flipped as well. Oh, 15 flip, sorry. Comics popped up here and then popped back down. 5 minute opened up with a top wick and then flipped. Kind of interesting. That's crazy though. So the 15 flipped and rebroke its high just now. 15-minute time frame looks great here. I just want to see us fill this wick towards the top and then we can go break even. Can we see a pop through here on COMEX? No reason this shouldn't rip now. You got volume, you got direction. Just struggling from those highs again, man. Very interesting here, chat. Sort of forming like a resistance here, I would say. 1 minute closed above though, right? Above most recent as well, which is kind of crazy. I don't know why the 15 would take the highs like that and then reject. Unless that was the liquidity it needed. Big rejection towards the upside here as well. Actually, you got cooked today, believe me. Alright, bro. What's with the negativity? There's no negativity, man. There's some negative people, but there's no negativity. I wouldn't be worried. Yeah, I'm not worried, bro. Who's worried, man? If you're in a trade and you're worrying, you're cooked. It means you over risk most likely. We saw like, what did we see here? Like 10 pips maybe? Yeah, like 11 pips. So you could have gone break even, but for me, there's no point. I think everything here is telling me this is still valid. I'm negative on the pregnancy test. Oh shit, I forgot about the... Oh, fuck. Yo, Tom. Bro actually got locked out.
Bro, that gust of the backdraft was crazy. There you are.
Special delivery.
Tom's pregnant.
That's crazy.
And Mr. Mochi, I've been trying to cut. I've been trying to get rid of my tummy.
Alright, 1 minute close bullish here, chat. We are just consolidating in this little 1 minute range here. It's kind of crazy, but there you go. Everything looks good so far. The liquidity wicks are kind of mad, bro. 15 has 3 bottom wicks here. I've got like 10 monsters. I reckon this is the first time in about a year that we've had someone fade in the setups in chat, eh? The question is just, can we push through this 15-minute level? If you can do that, then we should be really good to go here, chat. 5 minute closing in 30 seconds. Hourly looks hot. Hot? Oh, hot. Everything looks hot, bro. It looks like a good setup to me, but I mean, we'll see. I don't want to see us start to make some bearish structure. I reckon if the 5 starts to close below this little range that we've made here, like between here and here, that'll be like the sign that I probably exit the trade, right? But your closing still respecting. I want their 1 hour to close like this and the next to break its high. What, for sells or what? Are you gonna buy? Yes, I am. Maybe the 15 needs to break the previous 15 low first. Thoughts on Moaning Lisa? The Moaning Lisa is crazy from you, Eugene. Alright, 5 flipped here. The moment this 5 closes above here, I think we rip. I think we genuinely rip. By the way, to the people that said this is gonna lose, if we take a W here, I'm doing the take the L dance on your head, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to do it. But in fair trade, if I lose, you can do it on my head. They treating gold like GTA casino chips right now? What do you mean? Goodbye, mon ami. Au revoir. I'm basically French at this point. Nah, longs? Okay. Chat, popping back up here. It's the consolidation of doom right now. The COD. I love it when you speak French. Crazy work again from you, Jay. Chat, we do have a 30-minute close in 3 minutes here. I think that's going to be very important too. Last day of the month today? Oh, it is that as well, yeah. Very interesting. Chat, can we re-rate the highs here? $30-minute reflip temporarily here. Are we going to push towards the closure of the 30? Sometimes we do that. Actually, a lot of the time we do that. Liquidity range drive? That's what I'm saying, man. Question is, do we have enough liquidity though at the moment? That is the real question. To be honest, even if you wanted to rip down, it probably doesn't have enough liquidity to rip down. So you probably need to at least re-break the highs. And that's why my break-even point will be there. Because it's very possible that we go ahead, break this high here, and then inevitably rip down, right? But I think you would need to do that anyway before you rip down. What's your thoughts on set and forget, but your own version? Set and forget until there's like a 15... That's basically what I do though, bro. I don't manage off of anything other than closures. So even though I'm sat here watching, I basically do set like that style of just like letting the trade run anyway, because I only ever manage off of closures. You know what I mean? Bro, chat, if the 30-minute close is bullish, if it closes doji like this, then that's okay. It's not bad. But if it closes bullish, that's going to be very, very good. We're looking for a sell here? No, we're in buys. QT funded blocked my payout and it took the account away on some bullshit. I told you, bro. I told you not to go with them. Or I don't know if I told you, but I told people not to go with them. POC sitting right at that level, close above, and TP is free food. Free food would be nice, man. I like my food, don't get me wrong. I like my food, Wills. 43 seconds, chat, till L closure. How are you guys feeling? Are you scared? Are you nervous? Are you... Ooh. Or are you good? Hopefully you're chilling. Oh my days. Can we just make a milli, please? Just 1 milli, please. Look at the 1 minute, man. We need to break out of this at some point. NYSE Open is still an hour away, right? So that's a lot of time. If we have to wait for that for liquidity or for volume, hopefully we don't, but there you go. All right, chat, 30 closed here. If I can click on it. Like, kind of bearish, but also kind of doji. Making a bottom wick first as well. Big bottom wick on the previous 30. 15 closed, bearish. Realistically, you should come and break the high. Still within this fucking little range that we've made here, chat, on the 5 minute. For 30-minute flipped here. Nothing that I can see in terms of managing off of this right now, chat. One-to-one risk to reward. I think it's a bit above that. It's like 1 to 1.2. Which is not bad. I don't really care about the risk to reward there. Range of doom on the 1 minute and the 15 minute. Made $15 and closed it because it was dropping the whole day. I made $15, sorry. Nice. Could hold till all-time high. If it starts to rip back up, you could literally hold till, yeah, whenever, but... I'm taking this trade, but GLHF. All right, Blizzy. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. And my mouse is starting to go flat. Not the mouse. Realistically, I still think you should break the high here. So the 5 grabbed liquidity below the range here and is now trying to flip. I don't know if it will or not, but it's trying to. It's also the 30. You keep that in mind, right? Okay, it did flip. It broke the previous 5 as well. Did it break the 15 low? No, not quite. Holy chat, this is mad. I'd just love for it to come up and break this high so we can just put our stops to break even and just like chill out about it. You know? Hourly flipping again. Glad I was on your live stream. I'm off to trade the American session. Bye for now. Goodbye. All-time high depends on a lot, to be honest, especially daily close. It might be like the end of April rally. It could be anything here, chat, to be honest. I mean, the setup's valid, you know. I'm not really thinking about fundamentals right now. I'm thinking about TRLS mentals. That's a word. Just came back up to the top of this 5-minute level again. Chat, it's the ROD right now. It's actually the ROD. We get in a trade, yeah, and it's like, yo, I know SG wanted to entertain his stream with a nice little trade here. Let me go ahead and make this as boring as physically possible. Classic gold, the moment you get into a position, it's like, yeah, fuck this guy. I think we see a liquidity grab followed by a strong push in either direction, right? So essentially, if we pop down below first, I would be pretty confident that we pop back up afterwards, right? So you'd have the liquidity grab first, then the move. And if we pop up first, we'll already be risk-free, right? As we sweep the highs. And then even if it wants to reject, we'll be fine because we'll be risk-free, you know? Put some Subway Surfers gameplay on. Do you trade live account or funded zone? Yeah, I trade both. I trade both. 5-minute close back into the range here, Doji. If we can close like this on the 30-minute chat, or on the next 15, sorry, this would be so nice. That'd be mega nice, but problem is, how are we gonna get that? Are we gonna get that? That's the question on everybody's mind today, chat. Popping back up here, chat. All right, we're back in profit here. Back in profit. Are we going to see the rip up towards the highs here? How do you feel about the slippage on live compared to funded? I mean, slippage on funded is way bigger, right? But I also switched to futures, which means the slippage is actually lower because future slippage is quite low. Chat, re-breaking the highs here. Big pop. I want to wait for this 5 close. I want to wait for this 5 close. We saw 17 pips there, chat, but the 5's got no bottom wick currently. There's a relatively high possibility that this comes and flips here. But if you close above, chat, and then you wait for the bottom wick and then you go break even, there's a much higher chance we survive this. I'm not just trying to go break even just because I want to, you know, or just because I want to get out of the trade. I believe in this position right now, chat, which is why I'm still sat here in it. In it. Let's see, man. Let's see. NQ looking bullish, though. Bro, NQ and gold have not been inversely correlated for a long time right now. There's a lot of times where both NQ and gold will also push up together. For example, this morning, Asia session, right? London session, NQ's ripping down. This morning, Asia, London session, gold's ripping down. So just because one pushes up doesn't mean the other one is going to push down. They can do the same shit because both are actually compared against the dollar, right? So if it's the dollar that's weak, then both are going to react accordingly because both of them are technically, I guess, assets at the end of the day. Ugly 5 this. No, that's why I'm waiting for it to close, Jar, to be honest. But I think we're going to be good here. Anything other than the 5 looks great right now. 30, 1 hour, 2 hour. We look good. We look good, chat. So especially if this 5 closes above. And you know what gold's like, man? Gold is so fucking annoying recently. It's so like it. There you go, to push without a 5 bottom wick. It's just like gold. I don't know why, but it loves to do it. Can we close above here? It's also a 50. No, it's not. It's a 5 close. My bad. I think this is looking good, chat. This is looking really good. Rule number 1: never fade TRLS ever. If you fade TRLS, you get faded yourself. If this 5 closes above, I'm not going to break even at the highs. I'll go break even after a bottom wick and a flip. Where's the guy at now who said it was full? Where's the... I don't know, man. I'm not going to celebrate... Or not say anything. I'm not going to say anything yet, man. This could still rip down. We have to be here. Closure above, bottom wick flip. That's your break even. It shouldn't really reflip after that. And if it does, then it's not our fault. Right? It might even want to come and take down this low, but I think, chat, we're going to pop. I really like this position. I really like the bottom wick. Oh, no way, chat. No fucking way. It closed no top wick. Oh my days, that is such textbook gold. That is such textbook gold. If we re-rate the high now though, chat, to be honest, that could be two things. It could be the fact there's no range, which I'm not sure about because we have wicks to the left, or it could be we have such bullish momentum on that candle close and we're going to continue up. So we have to see how this one reacts. Gate candle, what is that? $15 close in 4 minutes. What do we see there? 17? Meme coin pump. Wait, what? I'm so confused. I'm almost sure it's going to move after the 1 hour close. Twist. All right, I'll twist. We'll see, chat. We'll see. I think regardless, whatever this 5 does, if the 5 flips, I'm going break even, right? Like, no doubt in my mind. But I think it should flip. 1 hour structure. 1 minute structure looks good. 1 minute closed above the highs for the first time. $1 million, chat. $1 million. If the 15 closes bullish, you got a sky dollar as well. I'm gonna sweep the low first. Maybe, man. If it needs to do that, then it needs to do that. Chat, you got to remember, right? You're seeing this big number on the screen. This is 0.1% of the account. So we're basically break even at this point still. Like, regardless. The mega candle down. Interesting. Chat, if this 15 closes like this, I'll most likely manage. Did anyone go break even on that high? Because that would have been a fair play. If we didn't get slipped, we would have seen way more. Yeah, bro, what? Did we actually get slipped by like 6 fucking points? We did as well. Let's sweep the lows first. Just watch. I don't know. This kind of makes the 30 ugly. Took this on the live account. Depends what you mean by a live account. Not on my own money, but on my live funded. Yeah. Took 50%. Fair play, Ja. Fair play. Chat, but look at this. I mean, this is fucking horrible. But remember I taught you about about what happens when you range and how you break out of ranges? And we're doing that right now. This is a liquidity sweep. You see, you have a consolidation period here. You have a liquidity sweep. And what did I say earlier? You're going to make a move to the downside first and then push up. So you never... when do you take trades on your real account, real live account money? To be honest, bro, ever since I got a mil funding, I haven't taken a trade on a real account because... at the minute, I'm focused on one. I used to try and manage them all, right? So on stream, I used to take like a live account trade, funded account trade, all this sort of stuff. And then I just realized like, I'm funded $1 million right now. If I can just focus on these and extract the payouts, that's going to do way better for me than trying to manage them all. And then like maybe doing not as well. I think it's very important to focus on like one thing at a time as a trader, at least for me. Thought as much? What do you mean, the liquidity or what? Makes sense? Yeah, it does definitely make sense. Chat, there's 110 people in here, 30 likes. I know I've been in the trade, so I haven't been thinking about the likes and everything, but that is crazy. I'm giving you guys free value, free trades. Look at my stream record. By the way, for the past like year or whatever, over a year, we have like, what is that on stream? I don't even know the win rate. Fucking 90 wins, 33 break-evens, 15 losses. That's a ridiculous win rate, plus all the education, plus the knowledge. You can't even click a like on the blood clot stream, man. You guys getting beaten up. Nah, but I appreciate it. It really does help out, by the way. Chat, we're pushing back down here, man. You rebroke the lows. We need a strong reaction off of this, to be honest. Hit the blood clot like button. Yeah, what Mark said. What Mark said, man. Ooh, 15 closed bearish. 5 closed below. This is interesting. I don't understand this. It's gold being gold. 'Tis gold being gold. I think what we've just had is a liquidity grab below this consolidation, right? That would be my suspicion. And I would say you break out towards the upside now, to be honest. Chat, what I am going to do right now, though, is I'm going to close this off at break even. I'm going to wait to see if we can get a closure above these highs, right? I'm going to wait till the 30-minute close, the hourly close, whatever it may be. If this rips right now, then so be it. But I don't like that. With a no 15 bottom wick, that's not very nice at all, to be honest, in my opinion. This 15 could flip and drive down at any point, right? And if it does that, you're cooked. You're going to hit stops 100%. So I think that's the most important thing to manage risk right there. If we close back above this high, I'll look for a re-entry off this 30-minute, right? Same trade and everything. And I'll enter again. So don't dip off the stream. That was a break-even trade. Wait, let me show you my P&L. Just to be $37 negative, which is minus 0.005. So yeah, break-even. Because chat, if this does reject right now and the 15 decides to flip, you're cooked, like I said, and there's no point risking that. Just for my ego to be right in this position, I was thinking like, yo, people were saying, oh, it's gonna go down, all this shit. I want to prove them wrong, obviously, but there's no point me risking that. It's absolutely unnecessary. That is perfect management, by the way. Are you on a live account? I'm on a live funded account. I do think this is the liquidity. I do think this is the liquidity for us to break below the range. And I do think if we close above this sort of area of consolidation here, you are going to see a continuation up. 150k account. Chat, that trade was taken across... Wait, hang on. Let me show you. Bro, there's no way I got exactly 0 on that. On my apexes, I got exactly 0. Have I seen that before? This trade was taken across 10 50k apexes and one 150k Tradeify and 250k sorry, on Top Step. So relatively large trade. That was taken on 900k worth of funding. Doesn't make sense now after the 15 close. We'll get another entry. Exactly, Ja. Exactly. Chat, you have to weigh up the options right now, right? This 15 close here broke market structure, and it also came up top wick first. So this, for all we know, could be a liquidity grab here on the 15 for us to absolutely melt it downwards. Now, I'm not saying it is, right? And if you're still in this, then it could run. But at the same time, you would be an absolute fool to try and risk that. Go account still active? Yeah, I just didn't take it on that one because I didn't have my phone on me. Where is my phone? Oh, it was flat, that's why. So you are pushing up here, chat. 1 hour. The 1 hour looks so good, man. I genuinely think if we get a closure above these highs, we can look for the re-entry. Still better than a loss? It's better, chat. That trade, taking a break even there, is actually better than you holding on and taking a win. Do you know why? Because in future, if you see that happen, right, and you hold on and you take a win, in this position when the 15's got no bottom wick, it broke market structure, what if the next time it just decides to absolutely rip down and wreck you, right? Because that could happen. See the chat? There you go. Let's run in. So we were right about the direction. We just so happened to obviously manage. Gold buys BE. I can leave it there. That's the last 3 trades we had have been gold buys break even. Insane. Bro, I have full trust in you. I was stressed for exactly 0 seconds. I appreciate that, Danny. Oh my god, another 5 no top wick. You can still do the dance? Nah. We'll save the dance for when I'm correct on that. I mean, I was correct, but... Filled the range. Where's my phone? Chat, anyway, either way, that was an absolutely W trade. If you held it now, then congrats. Otherwise, it did close above the highs as well. This 5-minute no top wick shafted us. But look, if you held it up to TP just there or to the break-even point, then congrats. Otherwise, if you held it break-even or if you closed break-even, I genuinely think that was the best thing you could possibly have done. Chat, we're one like away from 50 likes. In fact, let's change the target. Let's get to 75 likes right now on the stream. My girl was calling when you closed. Could you explain the reason you closed? Yeah, bro. The 15-minute closed below market structure, right? Below the 5-minute broke market structure below this level. And the 15 closed bearish after sweeping the highs. So for me, that's a good indication that you've grabbed bearish liquidity to come down. And then the 15-minute pushed up no bottom wick. So this 15 could flip at any point, which I don't like at all, to be honest. And I would rather wait for something like this to happen. And then you can take the continuation up after that, right? Now, problem is now you're getting close to this level. But we'll see what happens here in the next couple of minutes. We were in that trade for like 50 minutes, by the way. How insane. I'll be back in one sec. Chat, by the way, rewind the fucking stream. Rewind the stream to when I said, by the way, guys, what I think first is gonna, like, literally listen to this. This is how accurate I am in trading. This is how accurate my strategy is. I told you guys we were consolidating on this 5, and throughout the time we were consolidating, every time we pushed down, the people in the chat would go, yeah, it's gonna rip down, you're cooked, SG. And I said to you, what's going to happen guaranteed is either you're going to break the highs first and then reject, or you're going to break the lows first and then reject back upwards. So when we came down and broke these lows, I was not scared whatsoever because I called it over and over and over. And what happened? Exactly what I fucking said. You started to consolidate and then you broke below the range, grabbed the liquidity, and then you came above the highs. And now we're going to do this and continue up. So by the way, for the people that said, it sounds you're cooked, SG. You got cooked on this one, or I'm counter trading you. You got absolutely fucked. You're in drawdown right now. Take the L, you little nerds. Webinar's 1 a.m. Oh shit, it's worth it, bro. All the high time frames look nice, bro. This looks so clean. Fuck you, haters. Yeah, exactly. Jar's right. Chat. By the way, you guys killed it. And any negative comments when in a trade should get timed out like a kid? Nah, I think I like it, man. It kind of helps me lock in. I love it when people say that shit, because then think about this, right, chat? If someone comes to my stream and counter trades me once, fine, maybe they win. Maybe they win. Most likely though, I win. But still, regardless, someone comes to my stream and they copy trade me for the entirety that we've been streaming, they would have had a 10% win rate. Right, they would have had a 90% loss rate because I have the 90% win rate, right? So if they counter traded me every time, they would have lost almost every time. So they can counter trade me on one stream, on 2 streams. It doesn't make a difference, man, because over the long run, who lives in Cyprus? Who drives a Range Rover? Who has a Rolex? This is the thing, right? Like anyone who comes in here and doing that is just, I don't know. Chat, we're pushing up. Why someone's selling an all-time high anyway? It's crazy to me, yeah. 1 hour needs to break the range. No, don't like that. What don't you like, Jay? What's good, Nicholas? How's it going, my bro? What's good, what's good, what's good? Chat, can we make $1 million, please? $1 million. Making tuna smoothie next to the haters in here. Bro loves a tuna smoothie. Chat, if we close above this range on the hourly, buys look so valid. We'll take an entry again, but hopefully we'll get a bottom wick. But this was my first area of rejection, right? So we need to see how we react here. I'll be back in 1 sec. Uh-oh, not missed the motion. Chat, Little Rejection. That would be my rapper name, you know, Little Rejection. Imagine coming and watching a stream you had no interest in learning from whilst being, from what was being spoken about. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Been catching a W as I can see. We got out of break even on this one, unfortunately, my bro. But well, not actually, unfortunately. I don't think it was unfortunate at all. This 15-minute was grim. I knew what would happen, but ready for tomorrow? What, for the webinar? Yeah, 100%. What's good, Stefan? I can't lie. What I was thinking about doing, which maybe I should have done, but was like trading stops below here. But then, again, like, do I want to risk that money for no reason? Probably not. Chat, 2 minutes left. If this closes respecting, I'm probably going to be done, right? Because we already had one trade. I'm not going to try and force it. The hell, man, stop me out and just ran? I know, cooked. When's Trump speaking? Later tonight, like a lot later. I think probably like 8 UK time. There's news in like an hour, I think. An hour from now, there's news. Which is why there's no point me waiting for Comex. I have to watch Ready Steady Cook, mate. I've only ever used a microwave to cook and I have no intention of learning. Smart man. That's what the people fucking... Yeah, that's exactly right. That's what people come on stream and are like. It's crazy. I've been watching the knitting channel recently. I'll never pick up a pair of knitting needles in my life, but... Hit the gym today? Nah, I'm gonna go after this. We got a big back day. Big bunda day. Nah, back day. It's gonna be good. Chat, what about you guys? What are you training later today? Leaving it on FX to yesterday's New York high? Mr. Mochi. Bro, you better not have sent me another threatening gif. Backshot day? Crazy. I'm telling you, by the way, me and Tom are still yet to bring out our series of backshots and back testing. It's gonna be great. Full upper body, nice. SG, what? What, Mr. Mochi? Is this, if this is a threatening gif, I'm gonna be... Okay, it's a nice one. All right. I'm gonna try a new workout plan now that I'm trying again. Nice. Chat, I've been getting so lean recently, I can't lie. Like, I don't know, I'm not pumped right now, so you can't see shit, but I've actually been getting so lean recently. I've dropped from 93.5 kilograms to like 88 in the last like 2 weeks since Tom's been here. Fucking like 5.5 kg. I mean, most of it's gonna be water weight, right? But still. Chat, we're rejecting here, by the way. Ugly closure. 40 seconds to close above the level, chat. Full port longs? Nah, it needs to close above 48. Bow chicka wow wow. Bow chicka wow. Yeah, chat. By the way, today we actually have time for the Geoguessr. We didn't have time yesterday. Today we have time. It's time to make $1 million, chat. Imagine, yeah, when you guys get to the point where $100, $200 becomes your break even. That's when it feels crazy. How did the BF thing go? What BF thing? Am I tripping? Oh, the Bright funded thing. My bad. Bro, I'm going to be uploading it on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I was like, what the fuck? I was thinking it was something we talked about in DMs, chat. Yeah, it went, bro, it was sick. Chat, it was actually so good yesterday at the Bright Funded event. Like, by the way, the hourly close respecting. I was the only guy, I'm pretty sure I was the only guy they asked to do a trade breakdown, which was kind of crazy. They obviously know I'm the best fucking trader there, but anyway. They got me on, asked me some questions, talked about like how I got to a mill funding, how I got to lawyer, like how I quit being a lawyer and shit. It was so full of value. It was really, really good. It was basically like the podcast, just online. And yeah, the best thing was you guys in chat were crazy. Like the guy hosting it, Eduardo, who's the same guy I did the podcasts with, literally was reading chat and halfway through was like, yo, what the fuck? You have so many supporters in here. He was like, yo, so many supporters in here. What the fuck? Everyone's spamming TRLS and everyone's saying like SG best trader and loads of this shit. It was fucking crazy. So I appreciate that from you guys. You guys seriously showed out and showed some love. What'd you go on? I went on a Bright funded podcast, but like an online one. Yeah, mentioning the trim was crazy. And Neil, I think, put in chat that like, yo, SG has the best trim. And the guy read it out, which I thought was hilarious. I wasn't there, my bad? Nah, Jai, it's all good, bro. I'm going to upload it today on the YouTube channel. So make sure you go and watch it when it comes out, everyone. Chat, this is crazy, though. You close respecting, you're making a bottom wick. If you do close above these highs... All right, chat, wait. So just so you guys can take a trade after I end stream, right? If this 30-minute comes down, makes a bottom wick and closes above 34.84, which is this level right here. If it does that and then makes a bottom wick on the next closure... You can take an aggressive entry up towards the top of the range here, 38.63. Stops below the previous hourly down here. TP up towards this high. And that'll be the trade for the day if you catch it. It's over a 1-to-1. Extremely nice. So yeah, after the stream ends, if you do want to take it, take that. And then if you take it, send it to me in the Discord. All right? Big up to everyone who supported SG. Yeah, man, big up. Real talk. Closed above on FX. All right, Mr. Marky Mark. Well, if it closed above on FX, then you take it. How about that, huh? How about that? But look, let's play the Geoguessr chat. It was a good day, to be honest. Very well managed trade. I think, would you be back in drawdown now on this? Probably not, but still. I genuinely would not have managed that trade any other way. I just think, realistically, there's no reason for me to hold that shit. I may as well have just, like, you know, done exactly what I did, right? I managed. What's good, Game Monado? How's it going, my bro? Time for a bowl of cereal and then a back session. Popping off. All right, Mark, in a bit, my bro. Have a good gym session, Sam. I appreciate it, Mark. Chat. $10 million, please. Okay, holy shit, it's full. All right, 3, 2, 1. Chat, by the way, if you are jumping off, make sure you drop a like. Make sure you join the free Discord as well, which is right here. Free Discord, link in the chat. Tom's gonna be doing his session tomorrow morning. Go show him some love, show him support. It's not easy doing what he's doing, man. Especially for a newer trader. It's not easy to come on stream and take trades in front of people. So go show some love. Go help him out. Yeah, it's really, really important. Where is this, man? I feel like this is like Japan or somewhere. I thought it would have been Thailand, right? But that's not Thai. Oh, it's China, isn't it? Taiwan, okay. Okay. Jar, are you gonna get, if you're still here, are you gonna get the windows tinted on your whip? Sure, I feel like it looks so good with like a 5% tint all the way around. I mean, it looks good already, don't get me wrong, but... Where the fuck is this? How am I meant to guess this? I knew exactly where that was the whole time. I knew exactly where that was. I had no doubts in my mind whatsoever. Literally got it exactly on. Yes, mate, fire. Ooh, that is loud. That looks so nice. And spoiler. Huge, 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 huge. Wide body kit come next, eh? Where the fuck is this, man? I feel like this is... Could be Iceland, but I don't know if it is. Fuck off. Spoiler on that's gonna look ridiculous, bro. Black rims too. Actually, no, the rims you have are nice. Where is this? No stopping. Chat, I don't know where this is, man. Is it Murica? Or Australia. I think it might be Australia. Yeah, man. Sydney. Of course it's Chile. Yeah, how did I not know? Oh shit, it's a close race here. Come on, son. Come on, give me this. Give me this. I feel like it's here somewhere. Albania. Shit. Oh, I've been dethroned by 800 points. No fucking way. No way. Fuck. 32 hours this month, G. That's insane. Not Romania, bro. It's my country. Hey, let's go, man. I've been to Romania twice last year. Actually, once this year. I was with my boy Kata in Romania, skiing in Sinaia, then in Bucharest. I love Romania. It's such a good country, man. But chat, look, man, that's going to be it from me. Jimbo third. I'll take a second. Jar first. Look, man, that's it from me. If this closes above, take that shit and let it run, chat. Have a great rest of your day. Join the Discord so you can join Tom's stream tomorrow, and then obviously mine on the YouTube tomorrow afternoon. Peace out, chat. Much love. See you in the next one.